to stay consistent on YouTube, and this is coming from someone that you just completed a 30-day challenge while I was pregnant and about to have my baby, posting a video every single day on YouTube. I'm going to share some tips and some tricks that I have learned so far. And also, I was able to make it into the Google AdSense program within those 30 days. And I have already received my first paycheck. Staying consistent is like super hard for a lot of people. And the best advice that I can give you on that one is just look at it as your regular 9 to 5. Basically that's what you're doing. For instance, if you have a job that you don't really like and you go to work every single day because you need that paycheck, right? Your livelihood relies on you going to work and being consistent and showing up for the hours that you're required to, and meeting all of your responsibilities with that job. So you already know how to, you already have that skill set of being consistent and being committed. So all you have to do is transition that into being consistent with content creation with whatever schedule you have set for yourself. Set something realistic for yourself. I personally decided to post a video every single day because I don't have a 9 to 5. And when I started that challenge back in December, I was pregnant and my due date was February 20 something. So I said, if I start a challenge right now, I'm not going to have my baby yet, so I should be able to complete the challenge and then I'll have my baby. Well, it didn't happen that way. I ended up having my baby January 23rd, 3 days before I completed the whole 30-day challenge. But yeah, I still pre-recorded some videos and posted them, and I was able to complete the whole challenge, right? So for you, you have to do whatever works for you, and what works for you is not going to be the same for me, for anybody else, right? So like I said, I did not have a 9 to 5 when I started the challenge, and I posted a video every single day. And after I had my baby, I was not able to keep up with that same schedule because I was trying to heal, just kind of like postpartum things that we go through, hormonal, and just trying to adjust with a newborn. Now, a month and a half after having my baby, now I'm feeling like I'm getting back into my old self, where I do feel kind of normal, where I do feel like I can actually get out of bed and do what I want to do. So that's why I restarted a new challenge for myself. Now I am going to be posting a video every single day, and the topic that I'm going to be using is going to be the inspiration that YouTube provides in the YouTube studio. So if you go to your YouTube studio, I'm going to include a screenshot right here. If you go to your YouTube studio, you'll go where it says content, and then right there in the corner, you're going to see it says inspiration. If you tap on it, or if you click on it, it's going to show you all of the options that are available to you. It usually provides 5 options, and I noticed that they do change on a daily basis. So keep that in mind. If there is a particular topic or something that you want to talk about, maybe jot it down, take screenshot, take notes, or something of that nature, so that way you don't forget it. And then come back and record that video. And then at the bottom of each little topic, it does provide a high interest, low interest, medium interest, very high interest, and so on and so forth. So this is going to be different for every channel. I noticed that for my channel, for this channel, it does show topics that are similar to the videos that have gotten a lot of views on my previous videos. And then when I went and I looked at my channel that I just started, which is going to be a Spanish channel, that's going to be my secondary channel, I noticed that there is no topics, no ideas shown to me because I have not uploaded any videos on that channel. There is content ideas. Sometimes when you set yourself to post quite often on YouTube, you may find yourself running out of ideas or not knowing what to talk about. You can use the ideas that YouTube provides to you, right? Now, if you just want to go ahead and post whatever you feel like you want to talk about, you can do that. And as you're posting and you're being consistent, YouTube is going to sort of generate more ideas based on the content that you already have. So that's going to give you endless ideas. endless possibilities, endless options as to what to post or what to talk about. Another key point here that I feel like a lot of people get sort of like stuck on is that they don't have the right equipment. They don't have lights. They don't have anything fancy or anything of that nature. I don't either. I don't. Like, I use CapCut to edit my videos. I use the free version. I don't even pay for it. I sit in front of my window. The apartment where we live at, only one side of it has windows, and to be honest with you, in the whole apartment there's only basically 3 windows in my whole apartment. 3 windows. 4 if you count the double doors to get to go to the porch. So I don't have a whole lot of areas that are with good lighting that I can record. If I am busy in the morning and I don't get like the good sunlight, this is gonna be the light that I'm gonna get. Right now it is currently 1 p.m. The light is not as great because the sun already changed directions since we're changing seasons. So good timing for me to record is anywhere from 9 a.m. to about 12 p.m. Those are like the best times. That's when I get like the best lighting. And this is why in pretty much 90% of my videos, this is gonna be my background, because this is where my desk is at, and this is gonna be it, right? I don't have anything fancy. I don't have a fancy office. I don't have any fancy lighting or anything of that nature. I just sit in front of the window and record, and I use my cell phone, and I use CapCut to edit my videos. I use the free version. I don't even have I don't pay for any software to edit my videos. Or finding it hard to like record, or even if like the ideas that you see here on the YouTube inspiration section, even let's just say for instance, even if that doesn't really work for you, you can just record whatever it is that you do in your daily life. Like right now, I'm just gonna unbox a couple of packages that I have. These packages were sent to me to create a video off of, and actually this is from Flip. It's a phone case that I got for myself, and I'm just going to review it. And so as we're talking, I'm doing what I need to do, because content creation is basically my 9 to 5. So if I can incorporate both of them together, as I am doing something that it's going to be useful for TikTok and Flip, I can record a video and post it on YouTube. Then, and another thing to keep in mind is that you have to embrace the imperfections. Like right now, I am sitting in front of the window and it's cloudy outside. So the lighting is going to be changing like every second or every minute. I'm not sure, but the fact that I am here and still just recording, and knowing that the main idea here, or the main goal here, is to post a video before the end of the day. So if you are a visual person like myself, one thing that you can do to help yourself is to create a calendar. That's what I did. I went and I purchased a big calendar from Walmart. It was like $12, and literally like the ones that they have at school or at offices, where it has like the whole month. And in every single day I wrote a YouTube video, three videos on Flip, 3 videos on TikTok, and I just repeated that throughout the whole month. And so it is very satisfying to go to bed. Before going to bed, I come up here and I put a big old X on the day because I completed it. And yesterday, it was kind of a hectic day for me. So yesterday, I didn't get to post my YouTube video until like 10 p.m. or close to 11 p.m. And that's the thing, is like, if I don't complete it, I am not going to go to bed. And for some people, that may be, that sometimes that's not doable, and that's totally understandable. Like I said, this is my full-time job. Right now, I am taking it as my full-time job, and that's why I am gonna do whatever it is in my power to make sure that I complete every task that I have set myself, because this is my goal for the month of March. I want to be able to post a video or go live every day on YouTube, and post a minimum of 3 videos on Flip and minimum 3 videos on TikTok. And then, so if I have to sit here and complete everything and and get to it before before I go to bed. Like, it doesn't matter if it's already like midnight. Before I go to bed, I'm gonna make sure I complete it. And another thing that I think is really important for you to like keep in mind is to celebrate your wins. I know when we set ourselves a big goal, like for instance, me, when I started, I set myself to get back into the Google AdSense program. And the main goal, the main focus when I set myself that challenge was to to meet the whole 30 days of posting. Like, I wasn't even expecting, like, I honestly was not expecting to be able to get into the Google AdSense program and be monetized before the end of the 30 days. I that was not like the goal behind it. The goal behind it is just for me to be able to and stay consistent and show up every day like I set for myself. Like, that was the main goal. I wanted to really be consistent and make it a daily habit for me to be able to post a video every single day, despite how I felt, despite of anything. And there's only 2 days that I missed during that challenge, which is when I had my baby and when I New Year's Day, because I had completely lost my voice. Like, you couldn't even hear me talk. And then every week I was posting updates on how things were going, what changes have I seen, what growth I was able to see. And I think that was like really important because it showed me the results of the work that I was doing. It showed me that, even if it was like small progress, it was happening. It's a contour palette. I want to learn how to do my makeup. That's actually one of my goals that I put in my vision board for 2025. So this is eyeshadow. Yeah, so little by little, when you set yourself and you write it down or you put it in picture and you see it, like, if you have not set yourself a vision board for 2025, I would recommend doing it, or at least a list of goals that you have for 2025. That's very powerful. I posted 2 videos. This was back in December or January that I posted a couple of videos kind of just showing how I create my own vision board. So if you want to go watch that and get yourself a vision board and create yourself a vision board, I would definitely recommend that. And the reason is because when you set a goal for yourself and you see it every day. Like, I have it, my vision board, I have it as my wallpaper on my computer, and then I also have it as a wallpaper on my phone. So it's helpful to have it where you can see it. Those are the tips that I can share with you that have helped me stay consistent on YouTube and be able to post every day. But you can set the schedule for yourself, whatever works for you, like twice a week, once a week, whatever it is. And maybe you start small. If you can't do multiple videos a week, maybe just do one a week. And then from there, once you are pretty consistent and you feel like you have nailed that, then if you want to, you can increase it, add another video maybe, and so on and so forth. Like, whatever works for you, set something that it's reasonable and that you feel like you can actually attain. And yeah,